Hello. 8. In which year did the Portuguese captured Goa from Bijapur? A. 1498. B. 1510. C. 1516. D. 1569. Correct answer 1510. Please like, comment and share. Question. Though, during the Indian freedom struggle, who founded the Prarthana Samaj? A. Atmaram Pandurang. B. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. C. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. D. Keshav Chandra Sen. Correct answer Atmarang Pandurang. 3. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak hailed from A. Bengal. B. Kashmir. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer Maharashtra. 4. The Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College of Aligarh was founded by Ahmad Ali Jinnah. B. Muhammad Ali. C. Shaukat Ali. D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Correct answer Ahmad Ali Jinnah. 5. Dev Samaj was founded by A. Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. B. Devendra Nath Tagore. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. None of the above. Correct answer Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. 6. Who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Calcutta? A. Hyde. B. Elijah Impey. C. Clemestre. D. Monsoon. Correct answer Elijah Impey. 7. Communal representation was for the first time given in the interest of Muslims by A. The Indian Council Act of 1909. B. The Government of India Act of 1919. C. The Government of India Act of 1935. D. The Government of India Act of 1858. Correct answer the Indian Council Act of 1909. 8. Which of the following is associated with Lord Wellesley, the Governor-General of India, from 1798 to 1805? A. Doctrine of Lapse. B. Subsidiary Alliance. C. First Mysore War. D. Conquest of Rajputana. Correct answer Subsidiary Alliance. No. Who among the following Governor-General created the Covenanted Civil Service of India, which later came to be known as the Indian Civil Service? A. Warren Hastings. B. Wellesley. C. Cornwallis. D. William Bentinck. Correct answer Cornwallis. Thus, which of the following battles was fought by the allied forces of Shujaa-ud-Dawla, Mir Qasim and Shah Alam, though against British East India Company? A. Battle of Buxar. B. Battle of Wandiwash. C. Battle of Chelianwala. D. Battle of Terrain. Correct answer Battle of Buxar. 11. The revolt of 1857 in Lucknow was led by A. Wajid Ali Shah. B. Begum Hazrat Mahal. C. Asaf-ud-Dawla. D. Begum Zeenat Mahal. Correct answer Begum Hazrat Mahal. 12. The immediate cause for the mutiny of 1857 was A. Doctrine of Lapse. B. The social legislation of 1856. C. The episode of the greased cartridges. D. The fear of the Indians that they would be converted to Christianity. Correct answer the episode of greased cartridge. 13. Who was called Grand Old Man of India? A. Dada Bhai Nauroji. B. Jamshedji Tata. C. Surendranath Banerjee. D. C. Rajagopalachari. Correct answer Dada Bhai Nauroji. 14. Indian National Congress was founded by in 1885. A. Alan Octavian Hame. B. W.C. Banerjee. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Correct answer Alan Octavian Hame. 15. In which year the Indian National Congress was established? A. 1888. B. 1887. C. 1886. D. 1885. Correct answer 1885. 16. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the formation of the Indian National Congress? A. Curzon. B. Canning. C. Lawrence. D. Dufferin. Correct answer Dufferin. 17. Which of the following leaders presided over the Congress session at Calcutta in 1906? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. C. Aurobindo Ghosh. D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Correct answer Dadabhai Nauroji. 18. When did the partition of Bengal take place? A. 1904. B. 1905. C. 1906. D. 1911. Correct answer 1905. 19. Who founded the East India Association? 8. C.R. Das. B. Dadabhai Nauroji. C. Debendranath Tagore. D. V. D. Sarvakar. Correct answer Dadabhai Nauroji. 20. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, who among the following was labeled as moderate leader in the Congress? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Bipin Chandra Pal. C. Lala Lajpat Rai. D. Arbindo Ghosh. Correct answer Gopal Krishna Gokhale. 21. The Shivaji festival was inaugurated in 1895 by A. Hame. B. Molly. C. Tilak. D. Gokhale. Correct answer Molly. 22. Who among the following is known as the liberator of the press? A. William Jones. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Sir Charles Metcalfe. D. Lord Minto. Correct answer Sir Charles Metcalfe. 23. Who called Bal Gangadhar Tilak the father of Indian unrest? A. Lord Curzon. B. Vincent Smith. C. Valentine Chirol. D. Henry Cotton. Correct answer Valentine Chirol. 24. When was our national anthem first sung and where? A. January 24, 1950 in Calcutta. B. January 24, 1948 in Allahabad. C. January 24, 1947 in Delhi. D. January 27, 1911 in Calcutta. Correct answer January 27, 1911 in Calcutta. 25. Who had given the title of Mahatma to Gandhi? A. B. G. Tilak. B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. C. Motilal Nehru. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Correct answer Rabindranath Tagore. 26. The split between the extremists and moderates came up in the open at the Surat Congress session in The year A. 1905. B. 1906. C. 1907. D. 1910. Correct answer 1907. 27. Who among the following was the chief architect of reconciliation between the extremists and the moderates? A. Annie Besant. B. M.A. Jinnah. C. Madam Kama. D. Firoz Shah Mehta. Correct answer Annie Besant. 28. At Jallianwala Bagh meeting, ordered the troops to open fire. A. Ben. B. Irwin. C. Dyer. D. Montague. Correct answer Dyer. 29. Which one of the following was a journal brought out by Abdul Kalam Azad? A. Zamindar. B. Comrade. C. Al-Hilal. D. The Indian Sociologist. Correct answer Al-Hilal. 30. Which of the following struggles of Mahatma Gandhi was related to industrial workers? A. Champaran Satyagraha. B. Ahmedabad struggle. C. Kheda struggle. D. None of these. Correct answer Ahmedabad struggle. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe.